you have to check out this Lamborghini 6x6 Urus. It looks something out of an apocalypse, dude. It's freaking wild. I'm serious. But this is the thing. I'm not feeling it. I'm like 50% yes, 50% no. I don't know. Of course, I've seen Raptors, I've seen Rams, I've seen Jeeps converted to 6x6, but never a Urus. I don't know. Maybe I'm the one that's wrong. Probably. But I want you to check this out and you let me know what you think. Of course, if someone came and said, here are the keys, you can keep it, it's yours, whatever you want to do with it, I would take it in a heartbeat. But I don't know. I need you to watch this and drop a comment below and let me know what you think. All right?
All right, guys. So here is this Urus that got extended, as you can see from the back. They cut it, extended, and added 2 wheels on each side. And this probably took a long ass time. This is wild, dude. Look at this thing. From a distance, okay, aggressive. It looks out of this planet. It looks like a UFO. It looks like an apocalypse monster killing machine, right? Look at the back of it. Look at the exhaust. It's got like a quad tips on it. Look at that. That's aggressive. Anyways, let's take a look underneath and check this out. See what they had to do to extend this thing. Obviously, they had to add extra control arms. Well, 2 more if you think about it. And a lot of welding and cutting. This is freaking wild. I cannot believe that this is all... I don't know. I'm like speechless right now, guys. I'm sorry. I don't even know what to say. But this is insane. Like, how can... you can do this. I mean, again, it's not impossible, obviously. But just the amount of work this takes to do. I have no idea. I want to say probably... who knows, maybe 6 months to a year, I would think. If you guys know how long it takes to extend any vehicle to a 6x6, drop a comment below. But yeah, I think, like I said, I'm up and down with it. Even though I'm looking at it right here, right now, I'm still up and down with it. It's a yes or no for me. What do you think? Do you like this?
Well, I'm not sure, guys. What do you guys think after you guys saw that video? Do you like the Lamborghini 6x6 Urus? Do you think it's a good conversion? I wonder how heavy it is or how much gas it burns, man. It's freaking nuts. Now, I have a suggestion, and I think it'll be even better. Maybe take a Ferrari Purosangue SUV and convert that into a 6x6. That might look freaking cool. I'm gonna look around and see if I can find a re-render of it, a picture online. Maybe someone already did it just to see how it looks. But I think a Ferrari Purosangue 6x6 might look cool. I don't know. Who knows? What would you convert to a 6x6?
Or better yet, would you leave the 6x6 conversion on big trucks like the Jeeps, for example, or the Rizvani? I know a lot of those are very popular too. We already know that Ram has that beautiful conversion kit like the Triple F collection did here, but also the new market, like Cadillac, for example, or the Bronco, another one that also got converted. Look at that, that looks sexy. Of course, we all know that the 6x6 came from Mercedes-Benz and Brabus. And we all know how aggressive this truck looks. Look at this thing, it's freaking nuts, man.
Drop a comment below and let me know what you think, guys. All right, I'm gonna drink this delicious coffee and I will see you guys in the next video.